Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can recover your disabled Instagram account. So there can be several reasons for which your Instagram account can be disabled, all right? So if you are getting an error message while logging into your account that your account has been disabled and you cannot log in, so you can do something to get it back. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, I want to tell you that the account gets disabled for not following the community guidelines and terms of service of Instagram. So make sure you are not violating those, all right? So yeah, let's get started. So now, as you can see on the screen, the error message says your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your account. So your first step will be to click on learn more, all right? And then you will be directed to a new page where you can learn more about your Instagram account. So it is clearly written here that your account has been disabled for not following our terms. You won't be able to log into his account and no one else will be able to see it. All right. So if you think this was a mistake, you can let them know. So first of all, you can have a look on the terms and conditions of Instagram. So here it is clearly mentioned that what is allowed and what does it mean by violation, all right? So you can make sure that you are following all these terms of use. So you can go through the entire page thoroughly, all right? So let's move back and now you have to click on let us know. So now in a new tab, a new form will open that says my Instagram account has been deactivated. So if you think it was a mistake, you can send them an appeal to get your account back. All right. So the question says, is this account used to represent a business, product or service? So you can mention that if there was a business, so you can select yes. Then you have to enter the complete details of your business. That is the full name, your Instagram username, your email address, all right, your country, and you have to also submit a copy of the verification of the business. So these are the documents that are mentioned here. So you have to submit a copy. Else you can select no if yours is a normal account. So you have to enter the following information: your full name, your Instagram username, your email address and your country. So mine was just a regular account. So here I am entering my normal information, my email address, my full name, my username and my country. So make sure you are entering the right information so they can verify it with your account and then they can give you that back. Also mention the country from where you are contacting them. That will make it easy for them to trace your location. Press send. So that was all. Your appeal has been sent to them. Now you will receive an email from Facebook that owns Instagram. All right. So you have to wait for the email and then you will get to know if you are able to get your account back or not. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video.